After conducting the sessions of all the Sandhigata, Vartmagata, Shukla, Krishna, Sarva and Drishtigata Rogas, getting to know all the diseases, the names of the diseases and their respective classifications. Now we will move on to the Shalakya Tantra Netra Roga classification revision. So what is the first point that we discussed? Classification details. Okay, just analyze the points now. Don't just go on with the papers that you have in front of you. Just analyze. You can just close your eyes and analyze. Okay. Classification details is the first point that we had discussed. What are they? Sthana, dosha, sadhya, asadhya, sadhya, asadhya, shastra, ashastra, and the correlation. This is all what we had discussed until now. According to the doshas we had discussed, they are Vataja 10, Pittaja 10, Kaphaja 10, Raktaja 16, Sannipataja 25 and Bahya are 2 rogas. According to the sthana that we had discussed, Sandhigata 9, Vartmagata 21, Shuklagata 11, Krishnagata 4, Sarvagata 17 and Drishtigata are 12 rogas. Remembering all of these? I hope the slide is visible to all of you. Then, according to the Sadhya and Asadhya, Sadhya are 52 in number, Yapya 7, Asadhya 17 in number. According to Sadhyata, then, Ashastrakrita are 12 in number, Chedana 11 in number, Bhedana 5, Lekhana 9, Vyadhana 12. Now we will be discussing under Sandhigata how many, what are the classification in the dosha. Okay, we had remembered that formula, right? Like GPALD. So we had a formula for each of the Gata Rogas, Sthana Gata Roga. So Sandhigata is totally 9 in number. In that there is no Vataja Vyadhi. There is only 1 Pittaja, 3 Kaphaja, 2 Raktaja and 3 Sannipataja. And in Vartmagata, there were 21 rogas. Remember? So there were 2 Vataja roga. What are they? Nimesha and Vatahata Vartma. Then Kaphaja. What are all the 3 Kaphaja rogas? Pothaki, Praklinna and also Lagana. Then what are all the 3 Vartmagata rogas? Raktaja Vartmagata roga, Anjananamika, Klishta Vartma and also Shonitarsha. Then Shuklagata we had totally 11 in number. So what are they? Only no Vataja Roga is there. There is only 1 Pittaja Roga, that is Shuktika. Then 3 Kaphaja Vyadhis were there. Pishtaka, Shuklarma and also Balasagrathita. Then 3 Raktaja Vyadhis were there. What are they? Kshataja Arma, Arjuna and also Sirajala. Then Sannipataja 4 were there. Prastari Arma, Adhimamsaja Arma, Snayu Arma and also Sirapidaka. Then coming to the Krishnagata Vyadhi, totally there are 4 Vyadhi. In that only 1 Kaphaja, 2 Raktaja and 1 Sannipataja. Only in Vagbhata we would be having 2. Okay. So then Kaphaja 1. Which is the one which is Kaphaja Vyadhi? That is Ajaka Jata. Ajaka Jata is Kaphaja. Raktaja, there are 2. Sravrana Shukla, Avrana Shukla and also 1 Sannipataja is there. Akshipakatliya. Then in the Sarvagata Roga, what are all the Sarvagata Roga? There are totally 17 in number. In that there are 6 Vataja. What are they? 1 is Vataja Abhishyanda, next Vataja Adhimanta, next Hatadhimanta. What are the other 3? Shushka Akshipaka. Shushka is related to Vataja. Then Anyato Vata and Vata Viparyaya. These are the 6 Sarvagata Vataja Vyadhi. Pittaja are 3 in number. What are they? Pittaja Abhishyanda, Pittaja Adhimanta. Easy, right? Then the other one which is also Pittaja is Amla Dyushita. Amla is related to Pitta, Agni. Right? So Amla Dyushita is another Sarvagata Vyadhi which is under Pittaja. Then Kaphaja which are the two Kapaja Vyadhi? Kapaja Avishyanda, Kapaja Adimantha. Then Raktaja are totally 4 in number. What are they? Raktaja Abhishyanda, Raktaja Adhimanta, Sirautpata, Siraharsha. Then Sannipataja are 2. Sannipataja Abhishyanda, sorry, Sannipataja are 2. Those are Ashokha Akshipaka and Sashokha Akshipaka. Then finally coming to the Drishtigata Vyadhi and their Doshik classification. Vataja 2. Vataja Timira and also Gambhirika. The first Drishtigata Roga and the last Drishtigata Roga. Both are Vataja. Then 5 are Pittaja. This is more. Okay. Because Drishti is mainly related to what is the sthana, like which dosha is mainly present in Drishti. And also it is Agni sthana. So more Pittaja Vyadhi would be there. Pittaja, Timira, Parimlayi, Pitta Vidagdha, Dhumadarshi, Hrisvajatya. 5 Pittaja. Then 2 Kapaja Vyadhis are there. What are they? Kapha Vidagdha and Kapaja Timira. Then 1 Raktaja, that is Raktaja Timira. Sannipataja 2. What are they? Sannipataja Timira and also Nakulandhata. Then coming according to the Sadhya Sadhyata, that is Sandhigata totally in 9. There are 4 Sadhya, 5 Asadhya. In Vartmagata 21 Rogas are there. In that 17 Sadhya, 1 Yapya, 3 Asadhya. What are all the 3 Asadhya Vyadhi? It is Vatahata Vartma, Nimesha and Shonitarsha. In Shuklagata there are 11 and all are Sadhya. In Krishnagata 4, 1 is Sadhya, 3 is Asadhya. Which is the one which is Sadhya in Krishnagata? It is Avrana Shukla. In Sarvagata Vyadhi there are totally 17, 16 are Sadhya and only 1 is Asadhya. Which is that Asadhya Vartmagata Roga? Asadhya Sarvagata Roga, it is Hatadimantha. Then in Drishtigata we have 3 Sadhya, 6 Yapya, 3 Asadhya. 3 Sadhya are Pitta Vidagdha, Kapha Vidagdha and Dhumadarshi. 6 are Yapya, 5 Timira plus 1 Parimlayi and Asadhya are 3. Hrisvajatya, Nakulandhata and Gambhirika. If they are Sadhya. See, now you can also have a comparison table saying total there are 52 Sadhya Vyadhi. In that 4 from Sandhigata, 17 from Vartmagata, 11 from Shuklagata, 1 from Krishnagata, 16 from Sarvagata and 3 from Drishtigata. In that, how many Chedya, Bhedya, Lekhya, Vedya and Ashastrakrita are present? I hope the slide is visible to all of you.
Slide is not moving.
In which slide it is now?
Now Sandhigata, Vartmagata, Shuklagata.
And Chedya, Bhedya are present?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. So in Chedya, totally there are how many Chedya Vyadhis are there? Totally 11 Chedya Vyadhis are there. In that, 1 is Sandhigata, 2 Bhedya from Sandhigata. There are no Lekhya Vyadhis in Sandhigata and only 1 Vedya and no Ashastrakrita. Then Vartmagata total 21. In that 3 are Chedya, 3 Bhedya, 9 Lekhya and Ashastrakrita Vyadhis are there. So how many Ashastrakrita? 2 Ashastrakrita. In Shuklagata, 7 are Chedya Vyadhi and 4 are Ashastrakrita. In Krishnagata, total 4 Vyadhis are there and only 1 Vyadhi which is Sadhya and it is Ashastrakrita. In Sarvagata Vyadhi, totally 17 are there and all Vyadhis are Vedya and only 2 are Ashastrakrita. And Drishtigata Roga, total 12 are there, in that only 3 are Sadhya and all those 3 are Ashastrakrita Vyadhi. Is the next slide visible of the shloka?
So,
okay. So now I am revising the names of the Sthanagata Vyadhi. So Sandhigata Nava, what are they? पूयालसोपनाः स्रावाः पर्वणि कालजी कृमिग्रन्थिश्च विज्ञेया रोगाः सन्धिगता नव. So Puyalasa Upanaha, the four types of Srava, Pittaja, Shleshmaja, Raktaja and Puyasrava, Parvanika, Alaji and Krimigranthi. What are the rogas in Vartmagata? उत्संगिन्यथ कुंभीका पोथक्यो वर्त्म शर्करा तथार्षो वर्त्म शुष्कार्षस्तथैवाञ्जननामिका बहलं वर्त्म यच्छापि व्याधिवर्त्मावबन्धकः क्लिष्टकर्दमवर्त्माख्यौ श्याववर्त्मस्तथैव च प्रक्लिन्नम् अपरिक्लिन्नं वर्त्म वाताहतं तु यत् अर्बुदं निमिषश्चापि शोणितार्षश्च यत् स्मृतम् लगणो बिसनामाच्च पक्ष्मकोपस्तथैव च एकविंशतिरित्येते विकारा वर्त्मसंश्रयाः. So total Vartmagata Roga there are 21 Vyadhi and all the names we have revised now. Next Shuklagata Roga. Shuklagata Roga are 11 in number. What are all they? प्रस्तारि शुक्लक्षतजाधिमांसस्नायवर्मसंज्ञाः खलु पञ्चरोगाः स्युःशुक्तिकाचार्जुनपिष्टकौ च जालं सिराणां पिडकाश्च या स्युः. So these are the 11. Prastari, Shukla, Kshataja, Adhimamsaja and Snaivaja Arma 5. Shuktika, Arjuna, Pishtaka, Sirajala, Sirapidaka. Next coming to the Krishnagata Vyadhi. These are totally 4 in number. Yat savranam shuklamataavranam va पाकात्ययश्चाप्यजका तथैव चत्वार एते विहता विकाराः कृष्णाश्रयाः संग्रहतः पुरस्तात्. So in Krishnagata Roga 4, Savrana Shukra, Avrana Shukra, Pakatyaya, that is Akshipakatyaya and Ajakajata. Then Sarva Bhagaha, that is Sarvagata Roga, totally 17 number. स्यन्दास्तु चत्वार इहोपदिष्टास् तावन्त एवेहत अधिमन्ताः. That means चत्वार स्यन्द, अभिष्यन्द are 4, same number is adhimantha, that is 4. शोभान्वितो अशोभयुतश्च पाकावित्येवमेते दश सम्प्रदिष्टाः. That means ashobha akshipaka, sashobha akshipaka and akshipaka. Akshipakatyaya is a Krishnagata Roga, while the Sashobha and Ashobha Akshipaka are Sarvagata Roga. Then Hatadimantha, Anila Paryaya, that is Vata Viparyaya, Shushka Akshipaka, Anyato Vata, then Amla Dushita, Sira Harsha, Sirotpata. These are the 17 Sarvagata Roga. Then finally, the Drushtigata Roga that we have discussed. So what should be discussed again? The final part in our revision is the correlations. I'll be repeating all the names once again of the correlations. You just listen to it. When you are reading it in particular, you'll be getting to know. Okay? Like when you read each and every correlation in detail, then only you'll understand, okay, for this Ayurveda Vyadhi and this modern correlation would go along. Only then you will understand. But for now, at least remember the color codes. Once go through the color codes totally and also the correlations. So coming to the Sandhigata Roga, Puyalasa dacrocystitis, Shleshmasrava chronic dacrocystitis mucocele, Puyasrava purulent dacrocystitis, Raktajasrava hemorrhagic dacrocystitis, Pittasrava is subacute dacrocystitis. Parvanika is flictinellar conjunctivitis, limbal nodules and cyst in the palpebral conjunctiva. Allergy, how do you remember? It is multiple flictins or cyst or tumor of the lacrimal gland is more remembered. Krimigranthi is chronic blepharitis. And no Vataja Vyadhi in Sandhigata. So I hope you all remember the color codes. So what we have used here is Vataja in blue, Raktaja in pink, Pittaja in orange, Kaphaja in green and Sannipataja in the yellow color. Then Vartmagata Roga, there are no Pittaja Vyadhi. And what exactly to remember? There are 3 Chedana, 3 Bhedana, 9 Lekhana and 3 Asadhya Vyadhi and 1 Yapya Vyadhi. These are the unique things that you have to remember in Vartmagata. What are all the three Chedana Vyadhi? Arshovartma, Shushkarsha, and also, which is the other one? Arbuda. Three Chedana Vyadhi. What are all the three Bhedana Vyadhi? They are Anjananamika, Lagana, and Bisavartma. What are all the three Asadhya Vyadhi? Vatahatavartma, Nimesha, Shonitarsha. Remembering them? What are all the three Kaphaja Vyadhi? Pothaki, Praklinavartma, Lagana. What are all the three Raktaja Vyadhi? Anjananamika, Klishtavartma, and Shonitarsha. Like this, you have to remember the unique ones. They'll be asked more. Okay. Along with that, what is asked more is also chalazion, trachoma, and stye. These three things are asked more. Chalazion, trachoma, and stye. What is chalazion? Utsangini. What is trachoma? Pothaki. What is stye? Anjananamika. These three things are asked. And also blepharitis. Kardamavartma and Shyavavartma and Praklinavartma. These three things are also asked more. And which is the other thing, the neurology related thing, Vatahatavartma and Nimesha. Both are Asadhya, both are Vatajaroga. Both are related to cranial nerve pathology. So I hope you remember these things. Then coming to the Shuklagata Roga, there are totally 11 in number. Arma is a potential 10-mark question. Okay. So along with the modern concept also, they might ask you the whole surgery part of it because it is detailedly explained and very practically explained in Ayurveda as well and both in modern. Okay. Prastari Arma, Shukla, Kshataja, Adhimamsaja and Snayu Arma all are related to different aspects of pterygium. Then Shuktika is important, xerophthalmia. Arjuna is asked as it is a Ashastrakrita Vyadhi, Flictinera keratoconjunctivitis, subconjunctival ecchymosis, subconjunctival hemorrhage. Pishtaka and Balasagratita are also Kapaja Vyadhi. Pishtaka is Pingula and Sirajala Sirapidaka. Here you shouldn't forget the thing that both are not Raktaja Vyadhi, right? Sira. How many times it is repeated in the total Netra Roga? 4 times these Vyadhis are related. Sirajala, Sirapidaka, Sirotpata, Siraharsha. Sirajala, Sirapidaka are in Shuklagata Vyadhi, while Sirotpata, Siraharsha are in Sarvagata Vyadhi. There, in the Sarvagata Vyadhi, Sirotpata, Siraharsha are Raktaja, while in Shuklagata, Sirajala, Sirapidaka are not both Raktaja. Only Sirajala is Raktaja, Sirapidaka is a Sannipataja Vyadhi. Then coming to the Krishna Gata, there are 4 Vyadhi. In that Savrana, Avrana, Raktaja, while Ajaka Jata is Kapaja and Akshipakateya is a Sannipataja Vyadhi. Savrana, Avrana, in that only Avrana Shukla is the Sadhya Vyadhi. They are related to the corneal ulcers. Okay. Then keratitis, which is related to the keratitis, Akshipakatyaya. Cephaloma is related to Ajaka Jata. Sarvagata Roga. All different kinds of conjunctivitis are related to Abhishyanda. Glaucoma, many types and stages are related to Adhimantha. While the macular degeneration is related to Hatha Adhimantha. Anyato Vata Viparyaya. In this neurological condition is Vata Viparyaya, which is trigeminal neuralgia. Then coming to the Drishtigata Roga, there are totally 12 in number. Mainly important is the night blindness and the color blindness, the Kapha Vidagdha Drishti and Nakulanthata, and the early stages of the refractive errors, that is Dhumadarshi, and finally it is retinal detachment, that is Gambhirika. Okay, and finally this page until now we haven't touched, right? So this what I have written is all the Vyadhis I have written, and what are all the Shastra Chikitsa that we are doing to it is written. Sandhigata, 4 are Sadhya. Remember, this page is especially Sadhyata. Okay. In the Sadhyata, we understood there are 52 Sadhya Vyadhi, and this page totally consists of all the Vyadhis that are Sadhya. The description about only the Sadhya Vyadhi. So, we all know that totally Four sadhya vyadhis are there in Sandhigata. What are all they? Upanaha, Krimigranthi, Parvanika, Puyalasa. Upanaha, Krimigranthi, Parvanika, Puyalasa. Upanaha and Krimigranthi are Kaphaja Vyadhi. Parvanika is a Raktaja Vyadhi and Puyalasa is a Sannipataja Vyadhi. How are they treated? Both Kaphaja Vyadhis are treated with Bhedana. Both Kaphaja Vyadhi, because Kapha is hard. Like Kaphaja Vyadhis would be hard. So in order to take out that, Bhedana is given. Upanaha, Krimigranthi. Then Raktaja Vyadhi, Parvanika. Parvanika is given Chedana. Parvanika is given Chedana. Then Sannipataja, which is Puyalasa, Vyadhana is given. Then coming to the Vartmagata, there are 17 Sadhya Vyadhis. Remember, which are all the Sadhya Vyadhis in Vartmagata? Klinnavartma, Lagana, Pothaki, Klishtavartma, Anjananamika, then Aklinnavartma, Utsangini, Kardamavartma, Shyavavartma, Bahalavartma, Vartmavabandha, Kumbhika, Vartma Sharkara. And Sannipataja Vyadhis are also there. So, how do you remember this? What I had told you before, to remember the shloka. Which are all the Lekhana Sadhya Vyadhi? Utsanginnatha Kumbhika, Pothaki, Vartma Sharkara, Lekhana Sadhya. Tatharsho, Vartma Shushkarsha are both Bhedana. Tathaiva Anjana Namika is also Bhedana. Sorry, Arsho Vartman Shushkarsha are Chedana and Anjana Namika is Bhedana. Next. Bahalam Vartma Yachapi Vyadi Vartmavabandhakaha. Those two are Lekhana. Next, Klishta Kardama Vartmakyo Shava Vartmasthathaivacha. These are Lekhana Sadhya Vyadhi. So 1, 3, 4 lines of the shloka are Lekhana Sadhya, 9 Lekhana Sadhya. And in middle, 2 are Bhedana, 2 are Chedana and 1 is Bhedana. Then Shukla. Shukla Gata Vyadhi, all are Sadhya, we remember. So how are they Sadhya? Pitta, Kapha, Rakta, Sannipata. This is how you divide it. In Pittaja, Shuktika is the only Pittaja Vyadhi, it is Ashastrakrita. In Kaphaja, we have Shuklarma, Pishtaka, Balasagratita. One is Chedya, other two are Ashastrakrita. In Raktaja, there are 3 Vyadhi, Kshataja, Arma, Arjuna and Sirajala. In that, one is Ashastrakrita and the other 2 are Chedya. See, seeing this, you might think that these are confusing things. No, actually they are not. If you understand the address of each and every shloka and you start mind mapping it, these things is actually very easy to remember. Just if you think of the Shuktika, you get a picture of Shuktika, then you will finally understand, you can tell on your own whether it is Chedya, Bhedya, Lekhya, Vedya or Ashastrakrita. Just for now, as I'm revising it, I'm going little fast. You might feel like you're missing out on few points. No. At this point, you might think it, but when you start reading it and revise it again and again, then it would be very easy. Raktaja, in that 2 Chedya and 1 Ashastrakrita. In Sannipataja, there are 4. In that, all are Chedya Vyadhi. Krishnagata, only 1 is Sadhya and which is Ashastrakrita. Sarvagata, as you know, all are Vyadhana Sadhya and only 2 are Ashastrakrita. What are all the 2 Ashastrakrita Vyadhi in Sarvagata Vyoga? Shushkakshipaka and which is the other one? Amladyushita. Shushkakshipaka, Amladyushita. Then Drishtigata, all are Asadhya Vyadhi. And Bahya, 2 are there. Animitta Linganasha, Sanimitta Linganasha. These are the 2 Bahya Vyadhis. Animitta Linganasha, Sanimitta Linganasha. Both are Ashastrakrita Vyadhi. So I hope all the things that we have discussed until now was useful to you, and hopefully I think that you will remember all the classification details, sthana, dosha, sadhya, sadhyata, shastra or ashastra and the correlation. So this is all about the Netra Roga classification. Today we have completed the total Netra Roga classification. Go through it. I'll be giving you like 2 or 3 days to go through it completely. We will have a test on Wednesday. Okay. It would be a 30 30 MCQs in the test. So go through it completely, revise it again. If you have any doubts, you can post it in the group or you can ask me now. Okay, always feel free to ask the questions, because when you have the doubt, you should get it cleared. You should not just push it away. I'll chant the shloka. Until then, you can just analyze, and if you have any doubts, you can ask me. रागादिरोगान् सततानुशक्तान् शेषकायः प्रसृतान् शेषान् औत्सुक्यमोहारतिदान् जघान यो पूर्ववैद्याय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै.